Sa ibang kanta naman.
Palabas na uli.
Yan, marunong na pala. This is Mariosip. Kasi ako, tatramaan ng Mario ko. Eto, papabalik naman. Papasok naman kami ng Oakland uli. Kanina, pumasok kami ng ng Alameda. Ngayon, palabas naman kami ng Alameda. Papasok naman kami ng Oakland.
Naliligaw, pabalik-balik.
Kasi po, ang tulay pong ito pong tulay na to, ito po ay nagduduktok. Ito pong tulay na tunnel na to sa ilalim. Ito nangyari siya, kaya tunnel na sa loob nga lang. Ganon, oo. Ito po nagduduktong sa Alameda at saka sa Oakland. Ang pagkakaunawa ko, tubig ang ilalim nito. Ewan ko na kung totoo, kung tama ko, baka mali ako. So yung mga nanonood, those who are watching right now, if I'm wrong, please comment down below.
Yeah.
And don't forget to like and subscribe and share. So you guys gonna be updated to all my videos, to all my videos that I have to upload. Now we are approaching the Oakland, and this is what they call downtown of Chinatown. Yeah, downtown and Chinatown is like the same anyway. Yeah.
We're approaching the city of Oakland.
Here we go. It says here Jack London Street. Okay, let's go over here. This is one way. We're gonna go use the other side, and then we're gonna go. I think dali na tayo rin.
Paano San Francisco? Ay, San Jose. Paano maglagay ng ano?
That way. What is that?
Alam mo,
this one.
Alam mo noon. Ganyan.
There you go.
Alam mo ganyan ang style lang tinitiran nila nanay noon. Ganyan, no? Yung style na ganyan bahay. Yung bandero, Chinese. May bandera ng Chinese doon.
Because they're Chinese.
Oh, Chinese.
Look at the drawing. See that? Who's drawing that? That is China and Dragoon.
Kanila na itong lugar na ito.
They are. Napakabilis silang dumami sa kanila to. Vlog ito, baka mga mahal ko baka may masabi akong hindi maganda. I-edit natin yan, revisahin muna natin. So syempre, patas tayo sa lahat ng mga uri ng tao. Whatever race you are, you are like, because our intention and goal is like to just blog, to give informations, not to destroy anyone. Alright? So thank you, ladies and gentlemen. This is Nelson Cabanag once again. Lahat ng mga minamahal ko mga taga-subaybay, to all my viewers out there, OFW, shout out to all my friends, and also to all the charity vloggers in the Philippines. You guys, inspired me a lot. That is why I do this.
Right now we are here at Chinatown in Oakland, California.
Yeah, we're back here again because we got lost. Our tour guide, is not paying attention where to cross the street, blah blah blah. And today, ladies and gentlemen, mga minamahal ko manood, all watchers, all viewers, today is Sunday. That is why people are not, look at that, it's not quite too busy. So maybe people are, they stayed inside their house and they just, they stay inside their house watching TV. And if there's a games today, they might, over there inside, this is Oakland. There's a lot of club over here. They go in a beer house and drink and watching, blah blah blah. Something like that.
Pati yung tapunan ng basura, binabandalize nila, oh. Mga sulat-sulat.
This is Oakland, At least in what? If Nana is still remember this place, I don't know if that's the one. That's where she.
Hindi na lang Chinese ang andito eh. Meron iba-ibang ano na yan.
Yeah, a lot of a lot of races. A lot of people not just wrong words, racist, nor is
Yeah.
wrong words. I'm not supposed to use that.
Yeah, because they are all American citizens.
Yeah,
all
it's not,
immigrants.
I'm sorry about, why I say, guys, please understand me,
Bakit?
She got tired. Okay. This is the first place that, I used to drive a lot along cities right here.
Yeah, that was
In this,
a long time ago. Here,
Yeah,
the early
probably
80s.
like 20 years ago. So
more than. So
more than 20 years ago.
early 80s.
So
tama.
early 80s, no 90s.
90s.
Yeah,
Late
that is too
80s,
much.
late
Yeah.
80s, yeah.
So this is the place, and some of the thing over here is like I almost forgotten, but like memories, if we come back here.
Itong lugar na ito ay business.
Yeah, it's a business place. Solidly business. Even those buildings, houses there, those are for rent. They are not the owner. Most of the people there, they are just renting that. You see the road? Oh, you see the buildings? You see over there, the buildings over there? Pagkiyari mo yung lahat, pero kaganda mo ang galaw. Huwag yung nakakahilo.
Kaiser permanent.
Yeah, you will going to be like, cameraman, real cameraman now. Although I know you are just practicing, because you gotta vlog also by your own phone. Let's go over there. Kanina doon tayo, we went over there. Now we're gonna go straight up. I know it's the same.
One of the park, yeah.
Yeah, the same. We went over there. Yeah, almost the same though. Park Plaza. So imagine that. When we come back, we got lost. I hit the place where I was being treated, or
The hospital.
the hospital where I was being open hearts. You know what I mean? I don't wanna say the whole words because I don't wanna I don't want to remember the days. Although it's a successful never mind. Let's change the topic. Look at that, see ito, they tulak their babies, but sometimes when you saw something like that, sometimes it's not a baby, it's a lata. if you guys remember watching that the movie The Speed, I hit the baby. When
But the crib is,
Keanu Reeves, when he look back, oh no, don't worry about it. It's only a can. It's a can. All right, that's and that movie was being, I believe, was being filmed over here somewhere there by the going to San Quintin. Yes, I will going there.
Tour mo kami konti dyan. Matagal namin hindi nakita to. Si ano yata, nakapunta ka na ba rito? First time mo?
Hindi pa ako.
First time mo pa lang dito?
Di ba doon hindi pa pwede pumasok doon?
Ayaw ko sa'yo.
Ayun yung mga light, di ba? Yan
Baka doon, baka hindi pwede.
Yan pwede, gunaw. Go, pwede.
Ang drive kung nakakaalam. Harrison Street, that is Kaiser Permanent.
Alright, guys. This is the place.
Yeah.
Oakland Convention Center. Straight up. See the arrow?
Back on the road.
Yeah, we're back on the road now. Okay, now we're gonna go straight up. Let's see.
Franklin Street.
Let's see those road over there. This where we, not on the other side, I guess. Or this is the place where we. Adelaida Road.
Today is Sunday. Few people are walking the street because this is their day of rest. Stay home. Supposed to be gantong oras di ba son yung naglalabasan mga tao, di ba?
Yeah,
Ngayon
you're right.
hindi, because today is Sunday.
Okay. Ah, that's the BART. See, that's the BART, Susie.
Bart, sa akin ka sa
BART,
baba.
oh yeah. You're going down there. That's the BART.
Ito public tours.
That's the BART. You see, yun sa babae, Susie, BART. That's where I dropped Ate Tess before, long time ago. Like probably like 20 years ago. Because I believe during that time there's this earthquake and all the transportation going to San Francisco were shut down, and the only source of or means of transportation to go somewhere else, or especially in San Francisco and Oakland, is this BART. Alright guys, hopefully you guys understand what I'm saying. Alright, so this is experience, and it is a golden experience.
That you will never forget.
Look at that. Look at the bus over there. See that bus? Even though they are empty, they just gonna go roll without passenger. See, we don't have tricycle here, and buses, they don't stay longer in a bus station, waiting shed, right?
Yeah.
Something like that, because there's a time you should be in there for like
Whether you have a passenger or none,
Mhm.
you have to go.
They have their own time. Let's say they have to pick you up there 7 o'clock.
Look at that bus.
If you are not there, oh look at that. See,
Two people only.
if you are not there in that location,
Kahit walang laman
They-
yan na
they gotta go.
ikot.
if you're late, you see that, pakita mo, you know.
This is a government. Ano?
Yeah, see that. And that's where they stop.
Oh,
There's a time.
1872, ano, 102, dyan nadaan.
This is the Tarot bus. Tarot bus.
Yeah.
There you go. This is Martin Luther King. Okay, this road is a Martin Luther King, and this is the place, if I am not mistaken, right there. Where's Grand Avenue?
Mainit, malamig.
Ohama. Ohana.
That's where Nanay and we live over there, right there by that place over there. Is this Market Road? If this is Market Road,
Kawawa naman ang yung mayor dito. Ano ba to? Mahirap yan itong lugar na.
San Pablo Road. Maybe the other side is what we call is Market Road. Sorry guys, we are doing sightseeing of the road because it's been a long time, and this is where Shirikit Tita living somewhere here on this side, San Pablo. Oh, what is that?
So naubusan namin itong pagkain.
Don't worry. No worries. Go for it. The reason I drive over here instead of going right away in a freeway, it's because traffic already. This moment, this time, most of the people going back home, it's because, let's say,
Pangit na ano talaga ng ano.
they went somewhere else, like party something like that, or and then they're gonna go back home because tomorrow is as usual back to work, so the people going back home. All right.